Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to change name on Canva. I wonder why you want to change your name on your Canva account. It is maybe because it has your real name and you want to change it to a fictional name. Or maybe you don't have a real name on Canva so you just want to add your real name. Or whatever reason it could be. In this video I'll show you how easily you can do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to open Canva app in your mobile phone. Once you open the app, you will see its interface. It has a lot of options at the bottom and at the top. Everywhere you will see a lot of options, but what you have to do is you have to click on the three lines which is on the top left side of the screen. These lines, you just have to simply open it and then we will see how we can change our name. After that, you can see at the top you have your name and your profile picture. You just have to simply click on it. Few options from bottom will pop up and from there you can see we have different options. But we have to select the first option, which is account settings. Simply tap on it. There you can see more options just pop up. And from all these options, what we have to do is we have to select the first option, which is your account. So just simply click on it, because in your account settings you will see your name option, your profile picture and other personal information. On the top you can see it says your account and it has your profile picture, your name, your email address and other personal information. So to change your name, what you have to do is you just have to simply click on your name, or you can click on the edit which is along your name. You can click any one of these options and then you will get option through which you can easily edit your name. Here you can add your real name, or maybe you can remove your real name. You can add your surname, can remove your surname and can do whatever you want to do with your name. So here what I will do is I will add the surname, because in my account I only have the first name, not the last name. So that's how you can add anything. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use my keyboard to write the surname. And once you are done typing or changing your name, what you have to do is you have to click on this pink option, which is save option, and then your real name or your new name will be saved on your profile. Here as you can read, it says saved. That means the name that I changed recently has been uploaded and saved on my profile. So that's how you can also change your name on your Canva profile. If you have ever done any grammatical mistake, so you can again change your name. There's no limitation to changing the name. You can change it whenever you want. This was the easiest way I know through which you can change the name of your profile on Canva. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.